Look what we got. Anthropic has just shipped yet again, and it's an exciting one. From the Claude account, it says, we've redesigned Claude Code on desktop. You can now run multiple Claude sessions side by side from one window with a new sidebar to manage them all. This is huge because so many people were just opening multiple instances of Claude Code into multiple different windows. But now in the desktop app, you don't have to do that. You can do it all from one place at the same time. Take a look at this video. I mean, this thing is pretty cool if you ask me. You got tasks, you got the terminal, you got the diff. I mean, they even say it right here. Look, the redesign also adds an integrated terminal, file editing, HTML, and PDF preview, and a faster diff viewer, all in a drag and drop layout you can arrange to your preference. Your CLI plugins work exactly as they do on the command line. They brought everything to the app and made it all intuitive. This is huge. And Codex is going to have to do this or else. I mean, this just made Claude Code so much more intuitive. It just allowed for your productivity to go sky high. The only issue with both Codex and Claude Code is going to be usage limits, especially for people who are utilizing the OAuth accounts to run this through the subscriptions. Other than that, Claude seems to literally be the choice here when it comes to just usability in terms of making things look better in the UI and having more features. So there have been talks about Codex and its new design app coming out, allowing you to open web browsers and basically very similar to this right here. And the talks are already going around about how this is basically going to eliminate a lot of different competitors and a lot of different markets when it comes to coding, building, all that kind of stuff. I mean, this is pretty huge, in my opinion. For anybody that's using Claude Code, this is a huge step up. It allows you to do so much more all in one place. They even added the terminal. I mean, look, like you get the terminal, you get file editing, you get HTML and PDF preview. Like, this is huge. Like, people were literally at one point long ago, a few months ago. It's crazy how like a few months ago is now long ago. But you had to take the code, run it, and literally take the errors, bring it back, and then have the AI run it and try to figure out what it's doing and figure out where the errors are. Now everything is literally in-house. Everything can be checked and monitored and fixed and debugged in-house. This is huge for production. The only thing I would say is the usage limits. The OAuth, the usage limits. It's just so much going on with that. I love what Codex is doing with the resets, especially after every 1 million weekly users. There's been a lot of bad blood spilled on both sides about this, especially from Anthropic side, with all of the, oh, you get 2x usage, and then after the 2x usage, it was just a bloodbath when it comes to usability. We've got talks of the models being nerfed, and then on the Codex side, you had the 2x usage. They increased the 2x usage, not increased, that's the bad word. They extended the 2x usage for the Pro models, now the new 100 and the 200. and they cut it for the plus and basically made it so that the weekly usage limits last longer, but the 5-hour limits get shortened. So it's a lot of bad blood on that end too. But this right here is huge. I'm going to want to see Codex ship something like this going forward. But this coming from Claude, this is huge, especially for anybody who's building, who loves using Claude and Claude Code, who loves being able to see what's going on, seeing the previews, seeing the terminals, seeing the tasks, seeing the diffs, making a plan, having that all visible all at one time. This is a huge improvement, huge upgrade, huge update right here. I cannot stress this enough. I'm going to be using this a lot. I use both Codex and Claude Code, so being able to have this in your arsenal is amazing. It literally helps anybody who is trying to utilize AI and be advanced and grow and build, get a lot more done, and have a lot more visibility. Like I said, I cannot stress this enough. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Are you going to be using the Claude Code desktop app now that you have the terminal, the diff, the task, the plan, all of that, the preview, all of that in one spot? Or are you going to be using the CLI? Or are you not going to be using it at all? Or are you going to use another IDE with a Claude model integrated into it? Let me know what you guys think. This is super exciting for me. I hope this is super exciting for you guys as well. If you want to see more content like this, let me know. If you like this content, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. If you have any suggestions for content that you want me to cover, let me know and I'll cover that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.